Hi everyone, my name is Sam. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notification every time I post a new video. Also, please like this video for the YouTube algorithm. This will help me grow this channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can use ChatGPT to create a chatbot about holidays. So I'll ask ChatGPT to build me a chatbot about holidays that will know everything about holidays. So I will ask, after the bot is built, I'll just ask the bot, hey, give me information about this holiday, and the bot will be able to give me information about that holiday. So let's get into the video. I'm already logged into ChatGPT, so here I'll ask ChatGPT to build me a chatbot using Wikipedia library. I'll enter this and let ChatGPT process information, and I'll kind of fast forward the answer from ChatGPT, but I'll meet you after the code, and then we will analyze this code in Spider. I copy and pasted the code from ChatGPT onto Spider. So Spider is a text editor. Also, as you can see that it is importing Wikipedia library. So if you don't have the Wikipedia library installed on your machine, you'll have to do that using pip. So this is the code. So this will be the initial introduction that ChatGPT will give us. We can make some changes to this. So it says that hi, I'm a chatbot. So we can change that to hi, I'm a holiday chatbot that knows everything about holidays. What uh, what holiday? Uh, yeah, that's what would you like to know? Okay. And here are a bunch of errors if it does not know about holidays. So these are the error that it will give. And if I say exit, it will kind of exit the chat. We'll just exit the chat bar. So let's run this. So it is running, and this is the output that it is giving me. So it says, "Hi, I'm a holiday chatbot that knows everything about holidays. What would you like to know?" So what I can do is that I'll just put a bunch of holidays here. So let's start with the President Day, and let's see what the chatbot does. So it says President Day. There's a bunch of information about President Day. So it says, I'll just read a couple of lines from here. So it says that President Day, also known as Washington's birthday, at the federal level, it is a holiday the United States celebrate on the third Monday of the February. Okay, so it knows about what a president day is, and it is also giving a Wikipedia link. So if you want to know more about it, you just copy and paste it into like a browser, and it will give you the information. The second one I want to know is that let's try something else. Let's do like a religious holiday about anything. So I'll just do Eid Fitr. Let's see what it says. Okay, so I asked what is Eid al-Fitr, and it says Eid al-Fitr is a holiday of breaking the fast, and there's a bunch of other information about this. So, it says festival of sweet is the earlier of two official holidays celebrated within Islam, and this there's some other information about it as well, and it is also giving us the Wikipedia link that we can use to know more about this. So the third one I'm gonna do is the Diwali. Diwali. Let's see what it says about Diwali. So it says Diwali, and there is information about Diwali as well now. So uh, it says Diwali is a religious celebration in Indian religion, uh, and then it is one of the most important festival within Hinduism, where it is generally lasts 5 days or six in some regions in India, and it is celebrated during the Hindu and bunch of other things. So yeah, and it is also giving us the Wikipedia link to that information. So the third one I want to ask, let's ask about Hanukkah. So let's see what it says about Hanukkah. So Hanukkah is a Jewish festival, and then let's see, Hanukkah is observed in the eight nights and days, and starting on the 25th day of uh, Kislev, according to the Hebrews calendar, and bunch of other information about Hanukkah as well. And here's the Wikipedia link to Hanukkah. So as you can see that this chatbot, whenever I ask about any holiday, it gives me a little detail, a little intro about that holiday, and then sort of a summary, and then it gives me a link about that specific. Give me the link to where you got the information from. So if I want to know more about it, I can just go to the link and learn more about this holidays. I can keep asking about whatever holiday and it will know. I can ask about Thanksgiving, and it will give me the answer about Thanksgiving. So it says Thanksgiving is a national holiday celebrated on various dates in United States, Canada, uh, uh, Grenada, Saint Lucia, Liberia, and unofficially in countries like Brazil and Philippines. So what the chatbot is doing is that whenever I ask something, chatbot just go to Wikipedia because it is using the Wikipedia library. It goes to Wikipedia and give me the information about the holiday, and then it gives me sort of a little detail or little summary, and then it gives me the link to that information where it got the information from. So this is very powerful. Like ChatGPT could be used to create a chatbot about anything. I just want to do about holiday, but you can do it about whatever your interests are. You might have to provide more information about what specific things you want, since holidays are very generic. So I asked about, hey, give me a holiday chatbot, and it did that. But if you need something specific, you might have to provide more information to ChatGPT to get like a specific chatbot, and you might have to make a lot more edits. I just had to do the intro. Well, I had to edit the intro, but you might have to do more editing, maybe add more features to it. You could do that. So this is it for this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Also, please share this with your friends or anything, or anyone you think that they'll benefit from this. I also have some other ChatGPT tutorials. You should see that at the end of this video or on my channel, so please visit that and check it out. There are a lot of cool things that I did tutorials on, so please check it out. I will see you in the next video. So thank you for watching.